This workout is called top to bottom. So it's going to start out, you only need one dumbbell for it. It's going to start out 10 steps, carrying the dumbbell overhead, 10 steps each side. And then you're going to move into 16 steps carrying the dumbbell in the rack position, 16 steps each side, carrying the dumbbell on each side, I should say. Then you're going to drop the dumbbell down to your hip, and holding it on one side, you're going to do 6 forward lunges, switch it to the other hand, do 6 forward lunges, and then you're going to drop down to the ground, holding the dumbbell in one hand, do 2 renegade row push-ups per arm. So again, you're doing each number of repetitions per side and then switching to the other side. I'll show you what one round looks like now. Remember, you're completing as many rounds in 15 minutes as you can. It's going to start off with 10 steps overhead dumbbell carry. So that's 10 steps. Switch to the other side. Really got to squeeze the stomach, squeeze the butt, make sure the dumbbell doesn't own your position. Then you're going right back to the rack position. So 16 steps carrying here. Switch the dumbbell to the other side. Careful not to smash your shoulder like I just did. 16 steps. Again, if that hurts your arm, you can carry the dumbbell down at the side. You're going to switch it down to the side though, carry it right by the hip. Do 6 forward lunge steps. And then switch to the other side here. So again, I'm squeezing my hand to create tension because the dumbbell has a tendency to pull you to the one side since you're off balance now. Switch to the other hand. And again, 6 forward lunge steps. The dumbbell on this side. Then you're going to drop to the ground, dumbbell in one hand, wide feet, push up, row, push up, row, switch to the other side, do the same thing. Push up, row, push up, row. And that would complete one round. Then you're moving back into the next round of overhead carries. Again, completing as many rounds of that as you can in 15 minutes.